spare fuel. We've got spare fuel. Okie dokie. Oh, yeah, so you get to show me how to do this.
Yeah.
Because I'm never sure. We've still got fuel anyway, so we're all good.
Mate, thank you.
Nice. Oh yeah, we've got it,
Yeah.
That's it. Easy with the power.
Oh, you got it.
That was impressive. That's good, you slow down here as well, that's it. So we should be able to keep this going. Nice. Good, easy on that power, keep that back sliding out towards the cone. That's it, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. That's it, easy. That's it. I think it was that little tweak in the steering and it just started to go around, didn't it? Alright, let's give it one more. I'm going to show people what we can do here. Nice. Good power control there. Well done. A bit more power, keep that back going. Get the momentum all the way to the corner. And easy with the transition. Easy with the power, easy, easy, easy. Nice.
I wanted to link it.
Yeah, it's basically you often have to slow right down.
Yeah, because you have to go so slow to go through that bend there.
Yeah, exactly.
And then it's like really hard to build that speed to link it.
Nice, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to head straight just over there and we're going to park it for the moment.